All right, it's Saturday. Kind of gloomy, rainy, overcast in West Michigan, but it's a lot warmer. It's supposed to be, it's 59 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to close to 70. So I'm on my way to an estate sale. This is in the city of Cascade. So it's your upper middle class, upper class, very close to the Amway headquarters. So you got people with money. I looked online. This is a pretty good estate sale. It's got a lot of stuff. This is the last day, so everything will be half off, 75% off. They had a lot of Star Trek, you know, toys, phasers, communicators. I don't know why, but they had like 50 of them. Officially licensed products, still new in the box. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Plus anything else I can get. I love going to estate sales on the last day. People say, well, you got to get there the first day, the first in line, you're never going to get anything. Well, yeah, that's true if you want the antique stuff, the valuable stuff. I like to back clean up. I like to go in there last, get super good markdowns, even get free stuff. And not everybody can know everything about everything. It's impossible. So I always get good deals when I go to estate sales. Very rarely do I walk out empty-handed. So I'm going to go there. I'm not going to bring the GoPro, but I'm going to have my cell phone. So I'm going to try to sneak some video at the estate sale. And that's what you're going to see next.
No. Okay. I got scared. I don't think they were.
I can give you Daddy's, okay?
Dad made tag.
Yeah, you can go.
Dad made tag.
Upstairs. projectors anymore because it's all like on the computers. The screen.
Roll it up.
Yes.
Hey, Mom,
I would be.
I want to too.
No, honey. No, it's not a printer. And that's a paper shredder.
I want to finish playing.
Oh, no.
We'll see.
No, we won't.
Yeah, bye.
No, you cannot buy it. Sorry. There's no books left. Well, you can look at the cookbooks in there. Don't look at them for too long. No, I'll be right here. Okay, I don't believe we have abacus. Isn't that crazy though?
Yeah.
I mean, it does. I'm just blown away by how emptied out we are.
Oh, I know. You sit and think we didn't even have a wall to stand something up against.
I know. Yes, honey. I don't think we need any more. You don't care. No. No.
All right, well, that estate sale was a bust. I got, I think, 8 Nikon lens caps new in the package for $1 a piece. So now I'm a lens cap dealer. That was it. There was nothing else, and the house smelled really bad. But now we're gonna go to a Goodwill in the Rich neighborhood. I've never been to this one before. I'm gonna check it out. I got a tip from my cousin, the one that found that $1,000 lamp. She gave me a tip on this place, so I'm gonna go check it out. Maybe I'll record video in there, maybe not, I don't know. Probably record video in the car of my treasures, so let's go check it out. All right, that Goodwill in the Rich neighborhood was a bust. Never seen so many BMWs and Tesla Cybertrucks in my life. And it's super windy too, so my hair's all messed up. So I got a tip from the cousin who found that lamp. It wasn't that Goodwill, it's this Goodwill, and this mom and pop thrift store. So I'm on east side of Grand Rapids checking this out. I haven't bought anything. I bought some index cards. It's been a bust so far, but hopefully I find something good in the next 2 stores and then I'll show it to you. All right, this is my last spot. This is my honey hole estate sale warehouse. Now this used to be a big store, like a furniture store, and it's just full of estate sales, estate sale leftovers. I mean, you name it. I've gotten some home runs in there before. Maybe if I remember, I'll put some pictures up. But they got it all: vintage, electronics, antiques, used, new in the package, lots and lots and lots of glass. So it's getting late in the day. It's 2:22. This place closes at 4. This is my last stop. So far it's been a bust, except for that, you know, item I got up north. So hopefully I get something. Maybe I'll do some recording in here. We'll see. All right, I'm done shopping at a state sale warehouse. So that video you saw, they got a lot of cool stuff. I have purchased from here before and got some home runs. Most of this is priced accurately. Those two clocks I showed you, the naked ladies statues with the swinging pendulum clocks, they're vintage 1950s. They're plastic. The base is heavy. The rest of it's plastic. I'm not sure that the clocks are still original because they're quartz with a AA battery. The darker one is missing the globe at the top, like the Statue of Liberty torch. That was 95 bucks. I thought, it's probably what it's worth. And then the gold colored one with the two naked ladies, bare butts and everything, that was plastic, 125, had a big crack in the base. Again, I don't know if they're original, if it's been repaired. I definitely wouldn't resell it. That'd be something I'd keep for the office. But if it was solid bronze, I would rather pay more money for a complete clock that's real metal, like $300, $400, instead of $100, $125, $95 for plastic that's probably broken, not original. So I did get something to scare the dog. I got this marionette. I used to call them string puppets, but it's pretty creepy. It's what she looks like. Pretty complete. She's got a holster with a gun, some spurs. I guess she's like a Wild West woman. Her mouth moves. Seems fairly complete. I paid 25 bucks. This will be a wall hanger for the office to scare the dog. And that's what it's worth. It's worth about 25 bucks. The box is fair condition. You know, if the box was better, it'd be worth more, but I just like it because it's weird and it was only 25 bucks. So that's the video, guys. Today I am so tired. I lost track. 3 or 4 Goodwills. I didn't record in hardly any of them because there was nothing worth recording. The mom and pop thrift store was pretty good. And what is this? Some loser doing donuts when I'm trying to record a YouTube video. It would have been cool if he crashed, because then I could record it. So that's the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I do love getting out sourcing. The weather's beautiful. It's like 68 degrees, but the wind is like 50 miles per hour. So I can't record outside the car because the wind is terrible. So I wouldn't say today was a bust. It was okay. But garage sale season, flea market season is right around the corner. Typically estate sales in West Michigan are just crap, so I don't know how many of those I'm going to go to. But that's it, guys. Until next time, see ya.